Good morning everyone. In my last lecture, I have explained you about the notice writing. That is the first part of the writing section. Today, I am going to explain you about the advertisement. See, as the word suggests itself, you all must be aware of what is an advertisement. Advertisement, it is a kind of communication which is used for promoting products and services. It can be used to offer a service or to get a service. And it is also meant to raise the public awareness. Moving ahead, we have two types of advertisements mainly. One is the classified and the other one is the display or the commercial. Classified advertisements. These belong to a particular category and published in a specified column in newspapers. See, while making a classified advertisement, it is very important to keep few points in mind. First of all, the classified advertisement should be short, should be in a running handwriting and should be very precise, because a person has to pay for publishing a classified advertisement in a newspaper. So it is a paid service. For that, we have to keep the word limit in mind so that it is short. All the relevant informations are given in that and we serve our purpose also. I'll begin with the types of classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are of 10 types. Number 1, it is for the sale or purchase of any property. It means any house or a plot of land. Then vehicle or household goods. The next is situation vacant or wanted. That is, if any requirement is there in any office or any school, anywhere, that comes under situation vacant if it is required, or wanted if somebody needs. Then to let. To let means on rent. Then number 4, it could be about missing people. You must have seen in the newspaper that an advertisement appears about somebody missing with the photograph of the person and the description, or a pet. Then lost or found. Sometimes it happens that people lose their important documents somewhere. So they put an advertisement in the newspaper giving the details about the documents. So lost, or if somebody founds anybody's document, that also could be displayed in the newspaper or given in the newspaper, so that the concerned person can receive those documents. The next one is travel and tours. The travel and tours company, they offer packages and all this can be promoted through the advertisement. After travels and tours, the next type of classified advertisement is matrimonial alliance. Matrimonial, if a bride or a bridegroom is required, then we see a classified column where the requirements are given. Next is the obituary. Obituary, you all know, it is about remembering about somebody who is not with us, somebody who has passed away. Then appeal. Appeal could be about anything. It could be about, like, right now we all are facing a pandemic, so it is about donating for some charity or for some cause. Then educational. You must have seen that there are various advertisements related to the educational promotion of the program. Like you must have seen ads of various institutes offering services about, or offering you to come and join them for some admissions and all. So this comes under the educational. Now I will take one example for each. At least 5 to 6 examples I will be giving you in this video. So kindly follow them properly and see what is required in each and every example. Now this is an example for sale. So here I have taken flat for sale. Simple word, simple language. A 3 BHK ready to move in luxury flat in sector 40 Raipur is for sale. Located on second floor, equipped with all modern facilities, 24/7 electricity and water supply, parking area at the ground floor, contact and the phone number is given. So all the relevant information is given in this advertisement with lesser words and complete information. After property for sale, the next example in for sale is car for sale, that is vehicle for sale. So here I have given you an example of a car which is for sale. Now here the model is given along with the brand. Top model Honda Accord, the year of manufacturing 2005, automatic and grey, single owner. The ownership is mentioned, power steering, central locking system, good running condition, fully insured, and the reason for selling is that the owner is going abroad. Contact, the name of the person along with the phone number is mentioned over here, and then the address. So this is the example for sale. The next example that I am taking up in the section is sale of household items. Here available for immediate sale. Household items. Now what are the household items? LG washing machine, dining table with 6 chairs, luminous inverter, Godrej fridge. Now the condition of all the products, all in good condition at affordable price. Contact, the name of the person selling the items is given along with the address and the contact number. Now in my next lecture, I will be giving you further examples of the other types of classified examples.